There is a building in San Francisco with the perfect blend of traditional elegance and contemporary features. A building located in the heart of San Francisco's financial district. It is 120 Montgomery, a modern classic.
Built in 1956, 120 Montgomery rises 25 stories from the corner of Sutter and Montgomery Streets. The original contractors, Dinwiddie Construction Company, erected a building that serves as a tribute to strong engineering principles. 120 Montgomery survived the 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake with hardly a scratch.
120 Montgomery is superbly located. The San Francisco Bay Area's public transportation system seems to be designed with 120 Montgomery specifically in mind. The Bay Area Rapid Transit, BART, extends from downtown San Francisco to many Bay Area communities. BART is just one block from 120 Montgomery's front doors.
The Transbay Bus Terminal is but 4 blocks away, with service to all over the Bay Area.
The historic ferry building is only 5 blocks away from 120 Montgomery. The ferries serve Alameda and Marin counties.
120 Montgomery's lobby has benefited from recent renovation. This picture shows how the lobby looked before improvements were made in 1989.
Now enter the lobby and it's like stepping into a mini Main Street. Stop at the deli for a sandwich, visit the convenience store for a newspaper or snack, or drop by the barber for a quick trim.
A copy service can satisfy special duplication needs. There's even a full-service bank to handle financial transactions.
The lobby is also the center of 120 Montgomery's around-the-clock security. The general public has access to the building from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday.
Tenants are protected with a security card key system after normal business hours. With card key access, tenants can enter and leave 120 Montgomery as needed, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Deliveries are made Monday through Friday from 6:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Building management coordinates major deliveries.
120 Montgomery has 10 elevators. 5 elevators are low-rise, 5 are high-rise. Westinghouse installed the original elevator equipment in 1955.
In 1986, Westinghouse added a microprocessor overlay system to improve the old elevator's ability to efficiently dispatch passengers to their desired floors. However, floor-to-floor performance and ride quality is less dependable, since it still relies on antiquated open-loop motion control. Elevator consultants suggest going to a new microprocessor dispatch system with closed-loop motor feedback.
120 Montgomery offers 395,000 square feet of rentable space with a wide variety of floor plans. As of November 30th, 1992, the building is 89.6% leased.
There are 3 large vacancies of note. One is this 4,950 square foot retail space on the ground floor. The mezzanine has a 7,700 square foot office vacancy, and on the second floor, this 4,200 square foot office vacancy.
120 Montgomery has contracted a reputable leasing firm to lease these and other remaining vacancies. The goal is to be 95% leased by the end of 1993.
Offices are provided with an underfloor duct system providing power, data, and telephone lines. The building's finished ceiling height ranges from 8 feet 6 inches to 9 feet.
Window module size is 5 feet. All floors have operable windows except for the second floor. Many windows afford tremendous views of San Francisco's world-famous landmarks. It is while gazing out their windows that tenants are reminded that they work in everybody's favorite city.
21st century technology is beginning to complement 120 Montgomery's 1950s charm. A new, fully computerized EMS, Energy Management System, installed in 1992, monitors floor temperatures for automatic climate control. This will help reduce building utility expenses. Chief Engineer Stan Trotsky explains the inner workings of the EMS.
Temperature sensors are landed in this area. On the right side of the panel are the digital outputs, and you can see these red LEDs. This is what's actually turning off and on the various fans, pumps, and other equipment in the system.
To protect against fire, 40% of the building is currently fitted with rapid response sprinkler heads. Additional sprinkler installation will target common areas on floors projected to be leased.
120 Montgomery's life safety system is comprised of an audio alert control panel and a spectronic system to monitor smoke detectors, pull stations, water flow, and sprinkler tamper switches. A paging system and alarm indicator panel are located in the lobby's guard station. Due to multi-tenant conversion, the current visual warning system lacks a handling capacity that complies with the American Disabilities Act. Replacement with an integrated fire alarm control system is to take place throughout 1993 and 1994.
Newly renovated floor lobbies, such as this one on the 7th floor, come complete with fire doors as required by the San Francisco Fire Department. The new closed condenser water system is close to completion. This system will provide heat rejection water service for the tenants' supplemental air conditioning requirements.
Once this system goes into operation, we expect to save several hundred gallons of water per day, per week, per year, because currently that water goes right down the drain.
The main air conditioner, or chiller, and associated equipment were installed in 1955. Replacement of this system will be necessary for improved efficiency and long-term reliability. 120 Montgomery is an older building featuring the latest in office design, such as this inviting reception area, visible from the 8th floor lobby. A single tenant occupancy has customized the entire 5th floor to suit their needs, right down to the corporate logo on the floor lobby.
It is this kind of environment, like the delightful roof garden on the 16th floor, that makes 120 Montgomery such a pleasing workplace. The roof garden is slated for a new roof in 1993.
120 Montgomery is the best of all worlds.
Proximity to public transportation.
Centralized financial district address.
A building combining vintage architecture with new age wisdom.
Located smack dab in what many experts agree is the best city in the world.
120 Montgomery, a distinguished building poised for the 21st century.
120 Montgomery.
A modern classic.